I'm Ethan from CardSpot, and this is your daily pack opening for December 8th, 2024. Where is our first Ultra from this set going to be? The set also has Collector's Rares and Quarter Century Secret Rares in it, so there's a lot to get. We got number 103 Ragnar Zero, Yugioh Plasma Hull, Abyss Dweller, Signet Backdoor, Dimensional Fissure, and Cairo Ryuge Emva. Just another super rare, but it is a cool looking one. If you want to see more full-length openings, head over to @CardSpot on YouTube. Otherwise, we'll see you back here tomorrow for our daily pack.